Ever tried arguing with a parrot and lost? Get ready, viewers. These sassy birds have more attitude than their owners, and they're winning every argument. Let's jump into the chaos.
No.
Very loud.
That's what your mama said.
Hey, don't bring my mama into this.
I know my rights.
All right, settle down, buddy.
Call my lawyer. Angel, Angel,
Why are you calling Angel?
Angel.
Zazu, what you want to do with Angel?
I want to hurt you.
Or you want to pet him? Oh, he's your baby now.
Okay, can I touch you? No?
Oh, don't touch.
Oh my goodness. It
Good.
just touched his head. He doesn't want me to touch him, apparently. Can I scratch you?
Did you hear that, Sass?
What? He
This
doesn't
bird
want
is
me to touch
basically
him
saying,
tonight. Oh my god.
I'm right, you're wrong, end of discussion. Viewers, rate that comeback from 1 to iconic.
You gotta be nice. You gotta be. Harley Bird's nice. Nice. Not.
Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch a long, lonely time.
You are a good girl. Say hi, friend. Hi, friend. Good girl. No. Oh my gosh, are you a car alarm?
I love you.
I love you.
Hello.
Hello.
Are you done?
When you trick him into going to the vet, and this is him when he get home.
Oh,
Hi.
talk like a duck. What does the duck say?
What's the magic word? And how does the duck say please?
Oh, birdie.
Okay, then you're ready on your mask. Get set, wave. Hello.
Hello.
Give us a spin. Show us your wings. Go. Woo. What's this? Say peekaboo. Kiss, kiss. Thank you.
Are you a dinosaur?
The best birthday song ever.
Come on, you can climb it. No? He's like, I don't think so. Hey. Bye. Oh, you.
This artist's concert tickets would sell out in like 3 minutes.
Will be waiting for me where the crowds will cheer.
Okay, viewers, this parrot woke up today and chose violence. Verbal violence. Tell me, who do you think won that round?
Не надо его таким нечленораздельным. Диночка, как кошка мяукает? Скажи мяу. Как кошечка мяукает? Молодец.
Handsome guys flirting be like,
Good. So thank you.
Hi.
Say hi.
I don't care.
This parrot arguing like it pays bills in
It's
that
a
house.
chicken.
Be honest, viewers. Would you survive living with this feathered drama queen?
I think you're wrong.
oh, come on, you finally get some freedom. No need to show off like that, buddy.
Not much. What are you doing?
Onion. You got a fat bum? Aye. Aye. Would you eat a steak pie? Onion, do you want to live in another home?
Yep, Dad's right. Whoa. Yep.
Paco.
You right there. You went under there voluntarily.
Paco, hi. What are you doing there, big guy? What? Why? But why? But why?
My soul. Paparita.
Boy, may medida.
Parrots don't just copy sounds, they copy actions too.
Science have done so.
What are you doing?
Lewis to
I love you.
Yeah.
Someone hire him to voice a dinosaur already.
Good boy.
And that wraps up our battlefield of humans versus parrots. And clearly, the parrots won. Comment which sassy bird owned the spotlight, and get ready for more hilarious chaos.
Man, Bloom.